Well, Jeffrey Loho, who is our Amazon wholesaling expert, has found that if you want to get yourself ungated in a product, then the easiest way of doing that is to sell a wholesale product on Amazon. And the reason for that is usually those products have already been ungated, have already been okayed, and therefore your account should be pretty easy to get ungated to sell that as well. And the little secret about Amazon is once you get ungated for one topical product, you're ungated for all topical products, okay? That's an important secret. Once you get ungated for one topical product, you're ungated for all topical products. Thus, it's a good idea to wholesale a product to begin with, to get yourself ungated, and then you can get your own private label product on there. So great insights from Jeffrey Loho. If you want to find Jeffrey, I'm just going to go show you him. Come to our group, and he does heaps and heaps of help with regards to wholesaling. He's also one of the Amazon coaches as well, one of the guys I personally train. So if you want to get some one-on-one coaching from Jeffrey, you know where he is. Oops, for some reason my internet's being ridiculously slow. Jeffrey, just do a search for Jeffrey in that little search bar just there, and you'll get all of Jeffrey's insights into wholesaling. There you go. Loads and loads of stuff from Jeffrey. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.